Cascade County Courthouse is getting a new copper roof to replace the current 80-year-old top. MTN's Elizabeth Transu met with a man who's capturing the process with a drone.
You may have seen this guy outside the Cascade County Courthouse every day for the past couple of months. Meet Steve Wolfe, the man behind the drone who has spent most of his life capturing the world, one photo at a time.
The ability to shoot aerial photos and videos, and just the aspect and just how amazing cool it is. And I love it. And just to be able to fly something. So I love aviation, I love photography. And to be able to combine this into my own work, in my own photography is for me, it's huge.
After high school, he joined the Navy, where he traveled the globe, from Asia to Australia, and even completing a tour in Iraq, his favorite place to photograph, right here in Montana.
Where the adventure takes me. Anywhere, especially in the mountains. I grew up in the mountains. I love it out there. That's where the adventure takes me. The camera's always in my hand.
Now, he's spending his days outside the courthouse, capturing photos of the construction work.
Once in a lifetime opportunity, really. Because last time the courthouse looked like this was over 100 years ago. And so this job will last over another 100 years. And just to be able to shoot this is a tremendous privilege for me. It's an honor.
Wolfe tells us that throughout the process, he's been able to work closely with county officials and the construction workers.
This goes way beyond work for myself. This is working with county commissioners. This is with the Historical Society, possibly giving back to the community. This is what's happening. It's how big a deal this is. I want to show everybody, especially from the aerial view, aerial aspect, of how big a deal this job is, this project is.
As for an end date, he wouldn't say, but hinted that it is close to completion. He hopes to have a big reveal for the community so that he can show people all the hard work that has gone into restoring this beautiful courthouse. Elizabeth Transu, MTN News.
And we'll be sure to keep you posted on when that reveal will be. You can check out our website where you can find some of Wolfe's photography and a link to his page.